Welcome back, explorers. In this science adventure from my first science lab, we're discovering what physics is and how it's all around us. Physics is the science of how things move and work, and is happening everywhere you look, from a ball rolling to a swing moving back and forth. Physics has three main parts: motion, force, and energy. Motion is when something moves from one place to another, like running or jumping. Force is a push or a pull that makes things start moving, stop moving, or change direction. Energy is what makes everything happen. It gives things the ability to move, work, and change, and it comes from sources like the sun and other forms all around us. Thanks for exploring with my first science lab. Keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next science adventure.